Hi and welcome to this video on what's new in Sprint 2018.15 of Design Room 1. In this sprint we have introduced double-clicking of symbols in diagrams. We have introduced enhancements to the global configurations in the Rational Software Architect Designer client, and there's enhanced OSLC pop-ups. And as usual, there are miscellaneous bug fixes and improvements. Let's jump straight into the demo. First, let's look at the implementation of double-clicking of symbols in diagrams. Now, if you double-click a symbol in a diagram, you will navigate directly to the underlying diagram, just as the behavior is in Rational Software Architect Designer. So here, double-click a state and you will end up in the state diagram laying below. Now let's look at the enhancements made to the global configurations in the Rational Software Architect Designer client. Here in the Requirements Management Explorer view, you can see there's a slight difference of how it looked in 2018.12. We have two extra pluses. These expansion pluses indicate that the global configuration contain a local configuration from Design Room 1. When you select one of these global configurations, you will also get a message warning you or reminding you that you should see to it that you have the correct local configuration selected in RSAD. Now when I switch, I see that it reminds me that I need to switch to the correct local configuration. So I switch to the Git view and change the branch that I'm working with. We have also enhanced the OSLC pop-ups. Here, when we hover a link in Doors Next Generation, as before, we can see the properties. But if we now click the Show More link, we will also see the diagram. This diagram has some functionality from Design Room 1. You can zoom, pan, and you can also right-click and copy the URL or show in Explorer, in which case Design Room 1 will open with this entity selected in the Explorer. That's it for this demo. For more info, please visit the DevOps community.